You've heard of the Brazilian wax. But what really happens 6 months later? Is the smooth skin still worth the sting? Today, we're diving into a no-nonsense, 6-month Brazilian wax review, results, regrets, and revelations. Let's rewind the clock. 6 months ago, I tried a Brazilian wax. Not for the trend, but for the experience. I wanted smooth skin, zero shaving, and long-lasting results. I was also curious, is it really worth the pain and price? And most importantly, how does it hold up over time? That's what this video is all about. Week 1 was rough. The first 48 hours brought redness, soreness, and discomfort. I also noticed a few ingrown hairs, not fun. But by week 2, my skin calmed down. The regrowth was slow and surprisingly soft. By month 2, I barely thought about shaving or waxing. Month 3 came with even less regrowth and smoother skin. The hair that did grow back was thinner and finer. And now, 6 months later, the results might surprise you. 6 months later, I still haven't waxed again. My skin feels smoother than before waxing. The hair is patchy, less dense, and easier to manage. There are no razor bumps, no itching, and barely any regrowth in some spots. It's not completely hairless, but it's noticeably different. Honestly, I didn't expect these long-term results. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros include smooth skin for weeks, reduced hair growth, and no daily shaving. Cons consist of the pain, the cost, and possible sensitivity at first. But for me, the benefits outweighed the discomfort. Especially since I haven't needed to wax again in half a year. So yes, I'd say it was worth it. Thinking of trying it? Here are some tips. 1. Exfoliate 2 days before your appointment to prevent ingrowns. 2. Moisturize daily, especially in the days after waxing. 3. Don't wax too often. Give your skin time to recover. And always go to a certified professional for hygiene and safety. Have you tried Brazilian waxing? How did your experience go, especially long term? Share your story in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Until next time, stay smooth, stay curious.